Hey guys, my name is John and welcome to CRO Gorilla. CRO for conversion rate optimization, Gorilla because we are the kings of the jungle, baby. Now what this product does basically is conversion rate optimization. What I want to do is to reduce the bouncing rate of the website. I want to 3x my sales and traffic. In order to make that happen, I'm going to explain to you a simple math and how this product, how this platform can assist you in your websites or sales funnels or even blog if you have any kind of website in any kind of niche. People are always, any average user online is so distracted with so many tabs. Most of them are going to Netflix and see posts of friends and families, maybe see other products, maybe search for your competitors, so many distractions. So what we're doing, what this tool is doing, is to get them back to your website, to put the focus on your tab. You're probably asking yourself if there is a real solution for people being distracted on the internet. Yes, there is. Let's for example say that an average customer just got into your website, okay? I have a website of another tool that I created called rapidtargeting.com, for example. Now let's say that I have a visitor in the sales page. He's right here going to see the sales page, but oops, okay, he just got a message from his girlfriend, so he wants to get inside, he wants to talk with her, and he wants to go to her Facebook account, okay? Let's first go to the Facebook account. Let's go to Facebook.
Yo, come back.
Whoa, what?
Why did you go?
What is it?
Come back to rapidtargeting.com.
Rapid targeting?
You are missing a top-notch product in here. Come back.
What the? Is that page just told me to come back? Nah, no way.
Yo, come back. Why did you go? Come back to rapidtargeting.com.
Whoa,
me. You are missing a top-notch product in here. Come back.
Now the customer leaves his phone, leaving the tabs and looking in awe at your page, telling himself, oh my god, this is some top-notch marketers right here. I just left the page, and because I left the page, he basically told me in my speakers to come back to the page. And more than that, you also have text notifications, you also have this favicon notification. I even need to exit this page just in order to explain to you how it works, because it won't let me even do that if I'm not in the page. Now, this is a cure for distraction, let me tell you that. You have all the focus in your page. That way, not only that you really gave a very funny experience to your visitors, not only that, you got them back to the website. Maybe it will be viral because they will tell to the friends, or maybe do posts on that, because you have so many ways to do that. You can put your own custom sound notification if you want. What you heard right now was a record of me. You can put your text notification, your emoji notification. You also have a redirect link if they come back to the website, if they were recovered, to put them in a shorter sales page with a better call to action to get them hooked into the product, into buying the product. There are so many strategies and things to do in here. Now, this tool can really benefit your SEO also. This tool really reduces the bouncing rate. If you have any knowledge about SEO ranking, you know that bouncing rate is a crucial thing for your website ranking. People will come back to the website, they will spend more time in your website, they will not leave your website permanently. The focus will be on your website, making your website visitors to really look into the website and see what it contains, because most of the time we're giving so much effort in order to make a very good product, in order to make people be focused on the product, and people just get distracted with all tabs and a lot of things that they need to do. People are always distracted, but in that moment suddenly they hear in their speakers your tab notification telling them, hey, come back to the website, come back to your website address.com, come back. And it's going to bring back so many valuable visitors that maybe most of them even purchased your product. and maybe some of them will be amazed with your marketing skills, because most of the funnels don't have this feature and you do. You have all the information below this video, and I really hope for you that you will make the right choice.